Bonafide Hustler here and another vlog. Let's see what we get ourselves into buying and reselling items. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house. I think the lighting is good. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, follow me at Instagram or follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. And you can also get this free money-making guide. It'll teach you 50 items that you can buy and resell for more money that are typically used items you can find at garage sales and thrift stores. It's the first link down below. Check it out. So this vlog starts pretty quick. Got a person coming over to pick up a bike. It's outdoors right now. It's outside my house. He's coming. He's on the way. Cash kind of transaction. This bike I am into for 60 bucks and hoping to resell it for $260. I'll take you outside in 1 second to look at that bike. But two things have sold kind of recently. Got some cool things that sold in the antique booth too. My dog is sitting right here. Hey, what's up? This is Stella. Let's say hi to her. There she is. So some of the things in the booth that have sold recently that are kind of cool. I think yesterday, the felt Stetson hat sold and netted me a $123 check. And so that's interesting because that was like a consignment deal I did for one of my friends. And that was probably put in the booth about 2.5 weeks ago. So if you're following my vlogs, there was a Stetson hat in a box, a felt Stetson hat. It's called a range, I think. And yeah, those things are about $40 to $260 online, but someone picked one up in my booth and netted me a check for $123. Pretty nice. Also, a couple things have sold on eBay. What did I send out the other day? G.I. Joe tanks, that was kind of nice. I think I'm $5 or $8 into those. 40 bucks sold that. The shipping was about 12 bucks, so not exactly the kind of hustles I want to be into, but you know, I've sat on those tanks for a while. And they were completely incomplete, you know, missing certain pieces, and obviously didn't have the tank drivers with them or anything like that. So, you know, things I found at Goodwills or Savers and just threw up on eBay. So, other thing, from the previous vlog, I showed you some motocross gloves that were made by Sinsalo, and those, you know, I was hoping to sell them between 80 and about a 120 or something like that. I think that's what I said in the vlog. Sold for 79 bucks to someone in Germany, I think. So all I had to do is make sure that it gets to like the customs place. I think it's Kentucky, somewhere around there. So that's nice. 79 bucks, first class rate. And yeah, let's go look at this bike right now and see what else we can get ourselves into on this vlog. If you're enjoying these vlogs, I'm going to ask you early to hit the like button because that's really important. Makes me, you know, it makes me feel good. That's basically it. Here's the bike right here. This is a Specialized Globe Sport. Now, if you didn't know this was Specialized, you'd think, oh, this is just a Globe. But it is a Specialized. All right, you can see it right there. Globe Sport. And the Specialized logo is sitting on the front. But not many people would know that. Anyway, so this bike right here was 60 bucks. I went to someone's apartment to get it. I think I talked someone down from like 100. And yeah, the bike works perfect. She said she did have it on a balcony for about 3 months. So there's a lot of dust on it and stuff like that. Clean all that off. It shifts perfectly, nothing crazy. And it's basically a hybrid bike made by Specialized. Nothing terribly special to be honest, but you know, still a good bike for sure. And I think someone just came down the cul-de-sac that might pick up this bike. Let's see, someone's turning around. Oh yeah, so there's a person right here, and I think that's the person that's gonna pick up the bike. Oh no, the car went down that way. Okay, I guess it wasn't the guy. It's entirely possible that people drive down streets. They don't necessarily have to be buying stuff from me, you know? Whoosh. All right, so there's the money. We got $260. The guy's putting on the back of his car right now, which is nice. And yeah, we'll see where the rest of this vlog takes us. My guess is it's gonna hop till tomorrow, and maybe not. Maybe I'll get a chance to shoot some eBay stuff, and I'll bring you guys along the journey. Okay, so we're a couple days down the road. I picked up some really neat bikes, actually this morning, so it's like a Friday on this video right now. And I picked up 3 free bikes that all need work, and some bike parts, which are sitting right here. You might be thinking, like, why are they on the floor? It's because I'm using this box to show you something that's shipping out today. But we got all kinds of cool stuff in this bike part lot, which is free. You know, who can't use a saddle or two? This saddle's carbon reinforced. It's made by, I think, Ritchie. So I think it goes with this carbon seat post. And once I get all this put back together, because it has to go on these rails and everything like that, I do think that this is probably going to sell for over $100, just this part, because Ritchie is really good. Carbon Ritchie stuff even better. It looks like a race saddle of sorts, pretty cool. We have all sorts of gears and chains, not that I'm going to use any of that. I might list this thing right here, which is an Ultegra derailleur. It's basically for the rear shifting group of a road bike. Kind of banged up, but still, I bet you I can get 40, 50 bucks for this all day. We have two, what looks like to be Shimano kind of shifters for a road bike, which is nice. Probably get 20 to 50 for those. The other one's sitting in this box right here. A random stem, nothing crazy. Some free tubes, I'll take that all day. And then we have a Ultegra front ring for a bike, probably a 50 or 52. Yeah, it's a 50. So I don't know. This probably won't. You have to be really careful when you sell these things, because you have to look at all the teeth and make sure that there's not a messed up one. Now I don't see a messed up one here, but you know, I might post this on eBay for 20 to 40 bucks and it would probably sell. This is first class as well, being a road bike part. It's real light. Things are selling on eBay. I really think eBay has redone their algorithm, because out of nowhere, things just weren't selling, and then all of a sudden they're just picked up, and it's almost like my store's on supercharge mode. So let's discuss some of the things that are selling here. These have to go out. I am about $7 into these. They sold for, I think, $140 on an offer. My asking price was $150, and someone offered me $140. I was like, duh, I'm gonna take that. Who offers $10 less? That's crazy. So these are just some vintage roller skates, but the wheels are Crypto Roadrunners. It's kind of hard to find wheel. Steel plates, right? These are Pacer Crown plates, real nice, you know, used condition. Those are going out today. This bike right here, someone's gonna be coming to look at it. I'm $100 into it, about $107 into it. Found it at a Goodwill, like a while back, probably like a month ago. And listed it for $300, then $280, then $260. Found a buyer at $260. That person should be coming over pretty soon. And then we're gonna have a little bucks to bucks going on in this place. This is a Specialized Crossroads. It is a hybrid bike, thinner type tires, except not road bike thin, with a little bit of tread on that. So definitely a hybrid, great condition. Sitting at a Goodwill for $100. Picked it up. You know, to me it represents about 150 in profit. So that's what I saw when I bought it. All right. Asking this much. I think I took a $1,200 offer for it. Anyway, it's nice to get finally some good feedback from that thing. I had chipped it off like maybe 3 weeks ago, and the weeks and the days were passing by, and I was like, man, I haven't got positive feedback. And of course, it's not that I don't care. I know the bike was in great condition, but I also insured it. It was like $180 to ship off, pack ship, with insurance, 180 bucks. So I bought that bike for nothing. I was free into that on a Saturday afternoon. I went to go pick it up, and it was super sick. Titanium, I think I showed it on the vlog, titanium 15-inch 1997 Kona mountain bike. Really cool. But yeah, I listed it for like $1,700, then $1,500, and then right around $1,500 I started getting offers, and then I took, I think, a $1,200 offer for it. My dog's going crazy. But it's nice to get that positive feedback because it just takes that weight off your shoulders, you know, because there's that whole 30-day return thing, and so it's nice to get that. I love it. So getting some stuff packed up, or I'm getting some things, you know, some labels printed out here for some things that are going out today, and hopefully that bike sells, and we'll see what else we can get ourselves into today on this vlog, or maybe tomorrow, which is Saturday morning. Definitely gonna go garage selling if I can, and we'll see what we can find. Now that's really hot. All right, Cash Money, we're good. Let's see where the rest of this vlog goes. It's officially the next morning, and I am here with this weirdo. Wake up, E-Money.
Huh. E-Money here.
So,
wait,
what?
Is it?
Is it E-Money?
It is E-Money.
Is it E-Money? Is it the... It is E-Money! I pinched him! The sideburns are gone! That's your update of the day. So, I know we're in the middle of the vlog right now. We're gonna go garage selling. There happens to be a neighborhood where garage sales in our neighborhood. So that's nice. E-Money's gonna jump along, and we're gonna see if we can find anything today. We're in the big truck, and you think we'll find some stuff today? 100%, right?
Yeah, we always do here.
Yeah, we always do. So let's check this out, and let's go to the first one. E-Money, I see bikes. I'm not even kidding. We might be the first ones to roll up on this one. These bikes are not that great. Ooh, that black blue one in the back, good. Diamondback.
The middle one.
All right, let's check this out. This looks interesting.
Yeah.
Oh wow, let's go. All right, we popped on 2 bikes. Large Diamondback Edgewood, 20 bucks. Should resell for around 150, 200. And E-Money got this Schwinn Point Beach, whatever. 25 bucks, right?
20.
20 bucks. Okay, so 20 bucks. This thing would sell for around 1 to 150 all day in this bike market.
Yeah, we got this.
Oh, cool.
Oh, back in the game, back in the game.
From that garage sale right there, E-Money popped on a $1 boomerang. Why do you keep buying boomerangs at garage sales, E-Money?
I want to learn how to throw a boomerang. I haven't done it, and I've bought so many.
And you can paint that one too. This was free, by the way, free boombox. It's all jacked looking, but it probably plays. So free is for me. Clean it all up, put it in the booth for like 30 to 50 bucks after I listen to all my salt and pepper CDs, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, free is great. Let's go to the next one.
Yeah,
E-Money, E-Money, let's push it to the next garage sale.
Yeah.
Push it. So back at the Hustler Casa, it was nice to go garage selling, honestly. Good to see E-Money. We went to like 8 or 10 more garage sales, didn't find anything, but still walked away with a boombox, a bike. E-Money got a game, a boomerang, and a bike. So yeah, already listed the bike as well. Took 2 seconds. Bike operates pretty good, honestly. So we'll see where the rest of this vlog takes us. All right, so it is, I think, the next day, and found something on, where was it? I think Facebook Marketplace. Great deal. Asking price $270. Asked the person for $250, could I come get it? The person said yes, and then when I got there, I offered them $220 on this. This full suspension Specialized XC mountain bike, and it's very good condition. I mean, incredible condition. Yep, 220 bucks. Even the little dork disc back there is very clear. It's just an awesome mountain bike, size medium. I'll probably post it on eBay for like a G and see what I can get out of that. Otherwise, I'll probably hang on to it for like 2 weeks and then repost it for like, I don't know, between 500 and 700 bucks. 26-inch tires, but nevertheless, people, you know, really want full suspension mountain bikes these days. And, you know, they would flock to this at 500, no problem. And, you know, there's a chance for 700 and even a smaller chance for 1,000 on eBay. We'll see. In about 5 minutes, someone's gonna come pick up a bike. It's outside. Let me show it to you guys real quick. And this right here is a Specialized Globe Vienna hybrid bike. It's 53 centimeters, rides real good. The day that I got it, the rear wheel was really bent up. Now, I thought I could, you know, get it true and straight, but I couldn't. I was 50 bucks into the bike, and then I think I spent 65 on the wheel. So I'm about 115 into this bike. Should sell for about 260 today. And there she goes. She actually lived in the neighborhood. She like walked right up to my house, bought the bike. Here's the money and a little tool because I put her seat down a little bit. 260. Let's go. Here's my little puppy. As you can see, well, not really. It's 5 months old. It's 5 months old. She's 5 months old. Say hi to Stella. Pretty cute little dog, right? Found these at a Goodwill yesterday. These are neat. They had these insoles in them, right? And they stayed on the shelf for 2 days. How do I know that? Because the actual tag showed 2 days ago. So I picked these up yesterday, and the tag was showing that it hit the actual floor of the Goodwill 2 days prior, and no one picked these things up, and that's a huge mistake. These are actually old Gringo, you can see in there, and they were hidden with this insert. So you always want to take a look, you know, pull up an insert and see what the brand is, because once you figure that out, you realize these are Shorty boots. Nice condition, I mean decent condition. Snake, should sell for around 150 to 200 like all day. These were 15 bucks at a Goodwill. So I don't know if I showed you that there was a pile of stuff here, and I got it with 2 free bikes. Actually 3 free bikes I want to say from last weekend, but I listed this and this last night. Not this yet. I listed that, listed this. But these are actually road biking, basically shifters, but they also go to hydraulic brakes. So brakes that actually have fluid in the lines, and that's what all that is all about right there. So yeah, you got to put stuff into it and should be ready to go. But these sold for 110 on an offer. I listed them for 180. I shot for the moon. I got a 110 offer like the next morning. I just took it. I don't really care. They're free. So why not? Think I made the right choice? I should have countered, but I didn't. The guy was like, I would do it for 110 right now. I was like, you know what? I'll do it. Why not? So I think I made the right choice. Are you eating leaves? Are you eating leaves? That's not good. Hey, are you eating leaves? Stop eating my leaves. Why is your ear doing that? Why is it doing that? She has a floppy ear. I think it'll eventually stand up, but I don't know too much about dogs. You let me know. In the previous vlog, I found an electric cruiser for 20 bucks, and now there's a guy that just bought it. He's putting it on the back. You can kind of see it right there. He's putting it on the back of his car. $20 bike, just sold it for 150 bucks. So that wasn't too bad. I'm trying to think what else I wanted to show you on this vlog. There are a couple things on eBay that sold that I wanted to bring to y'all's attention. Sold one of the video games that came from a previous vlog. I think I'm like $2 or $3 into each video game. One of them was called Baton Kaitos, and I believe this one sold for $64. That was cool. I sold a Panhandle Slim, like really kind of yellowish, like, I don't know how to explain it, like a pearl snap shirt with some embroidery on it. I really wanted to get like 60 bucks for this shirt, but I sold it for 38 bucks. I think I was like 15 into that shirt, maybe 13 into that shirt. But yeah, nothing super crazy. Gonna be looking around today for some more deals. I've made some deals on Facebook Marketplace for some random stuff, including bikes. Might be picking up some Doc Martin boots later on today. All right, it's the next day and I want to cap off this vlog because the next one is gonna be a ride along. So if you enjoyed this vlog, hit the like button and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, goodbye.